Let me tell you, BCNC has come back. Yes, it was a 350, 370. Now they come out with a Z400. How could that be with Nissan? But that's all right. That's all right. Every car company has its own BCN. But every BCN that enters my yard, oh, you don't know and you don't want to know. From the Nissan, Dodge, Cadillac, Lamborghinis, Bugattis, Ferraris, Porsche. Just bring it. Just bring it. Because you're running me wild in LA. Every car that you create, I don't care which company that makes the BCNs, they always do. Because they coming. And I know there will be more. The summer cars, the summer BCNs, I know how they do it. 220 was the winter. 221 is a spring car. 222 is the fall. 223 summer. But every time I look, something is coming my way. And I don't care how every car dealer company do it, but just keep it down on the down low. You got more money coming back. Now that everything opened back up, oh, everything's about to blow up. And I mean, we're about to get it on. Somebody had brought the BCN back. And I'm glad. And that's the way I want it. Because when 222 come and 221 come, oh, you're going to see more big ones. But what will it be? Every car that changes not on YouTube. Every car that changes not runs me crazy. You know, I like what I see. So if you want the BCN car, come get it. Starting BF. Yes, I had it. BF. TG. Yes. BF. TG. FVM. Yes, I said it. It is there, only there, that you shall find the BCM and And who is this? BCN, You know, she's the world's biggest. And she can do it quicker than any company does. She's at every company. She is the company. Mother Nature is the earther. And you know, she's making more. And when she makes more, you know she's creating newer and newer things. She said, I am finger one. There's no other finger one beside me. But when she changes not, she will knock you out. And every car that she creates, oh, she come quick. I had lost Saturn, and I still got Buick. And you know, Buick's still running. I gotta get my Saturn back. I did get my BDV back. And boy, he's gonna knock you out. She brought him back. She brought Super back. I'm glad she did. Yes. Yes. Supra. He was there at the auto show. He came back so quick. I didn't know. But DV, she just hatched. Oh, they're gonna tie that up. Now they got a new tatted up Nissan Z400. But now, it's gonna be something even better. Every company that she creates, she will return the daylight of my integrity side of her. Cause she know that every car company that she is, and the Lamborghini just knocked you out. Bugatti just knocked me out. Everything that's on YouTube, I look them up. And I'm looking at BCNs everywhere on YouTube. The list of BCNs. They cannot be stopped. So what are you gonna do when a BCN runs wild on you?